The Mi-28 Night Hunter attack helicopter has long been a cornerstone of Russia's aerial firepower in various combat operations. Designed for close air support and counter-drone missions, this helicopter has undergone significant upgrades with the introduction of the Mi-28NM variant. Featuring next-generation technology, the Mi-28NM is deadlier than ever, making it one of the most formidable attack helicopters on the battlefield. The Mi-28 was originally developed by the MIL Moscow helicopter plant to replace the Mi-24 Hind. It features a tandem cockpit design for the pilot and co-pilot/gunner, and armor protection capable of withstanding high-caliber bullets. Unlike the Mi-24, which was also designed as a troop transport aircraft, the Mi-28 is dedicated solely to attack missions, making it more specialized for combat operations. There are several main advantages of the Mi-28. The first advantage is its night combat capability. Equipped with advanced sensors, including thermal imaging and radar, the Mi-28 can operate with high accuracy in low light and bad weather conditions. The second advantage is deadly weapons. Equipped with a 30mm Shipyonov 2A42 cannon mounted on a flexible turret, Attica anti-tank missiles, ATGM S-8 and S-13 rockets, and the ability to carry air-to-air missiles to counter air threats. The third advantage is high maneuverability. Powered by two Klimov TV3-117 VMA turboshaft engines, it provides exceptional agility, even in close combat. And the fourth advantage is durability and protection. The Mi-28 is designed to withstand battlefield damage with reinforced armor, self-sealing fuel tanks, and countermeasures to avoid incoming threats such as manpads, man-portable air defense systems. The Mi-28NM is the latest and most advanced version, featuring significant technological improvements, making it a true next-generation attack helicopter. There are several key improvements to the Mi-28NM. The first improvement is the new radar system. The Mi-28NM is equipped with the N025 radar mounted on top of the rotor mast, which provides 360-degree surveillance and target detection at longer ranges. The second upgrade is advanced avionics. A modern digital cockpit with multifunction displays, helmet-mounted targeting system, and improved flight controls for better pilot efficiency. The third upgrade is improved weapons. This variant can use the Hermes A long-range missile, capable of engaging targets up to 20 kilometers away, significantly increasing the long-range strike capability. The fourth improvement is the electronic warfare (EW) system. The Mi-28NM is equipped with advanced countermeasures, including jamming and distraction systems, making it more resilient to modern air defense threats. and the first improvement is an increase in speed and endurance. The new variant has improved aerodynamics and better engines, allowing for a higher top speed and longer mission endurance. One of the primary roles of the Mi-28 is close air support (CAS) for ground forces. With its high durability and powerful weaponry, this helicopter provides optimal protection for infantry and armored vehicles on the front lines. It is capable of neutralizing enemy fortifications, tanks, and troop concentrations with precision-guided munitions. Additionally, the Mi-28 is being optimized for anti-drone warfare, addressing the growing threat of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, in modern battlefields. With its advanced radar and precision weapons, this helicopter can detect, track, and engage enemy drones before they reach their targets. Russia has recognized the increasing use of drones in modern warfare and has adapted the Mi-28 to counter this evolving threat effectively. Furthermore, the Mi-28 is being integrated into network-centric warfare, allowing it to share real-time battlefield data with other units, including ground forces, fighter jets, and air defense systems. This interoperability enhances coordinated attacks and situational awareness, making the Mi-28 a crucial component of Russia's modern warfighting doctrine. The Mi-28 and its upgraded variants have been extensively tested in real combat conditions, particularly in Syria, where Russian forces have used them in counter-terrorism operations. The lessons learned from these operations have influenced the design improvements seen in the Mi-28. Additionally, the Mi-28 has been exported to several countries, including Algeria and Iraq, which have successfully deployed the helicopter in combat against insurgent and terrorist forces. The operational feedback from these users has further validated the effectiveness of the Mi-28 as a frontline attack helicopter. The Mi-28 Night Hunter remains one of the most formidable attack helicopters in the world, with the Mi-28 serving as its most advanced variant. Its capabilities in close air support and anti-drone missions make it a strategic asset for the Russian military. With continuous technological advancements and combat-proven reliability, the Mi-28 is more than ready to tackle the challenges of modern warfare and will continue to play a crucial role in future conflicts.